Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Expensify for deductible business expenses, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Expensify app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the settings menu. Select the policies option from the drop-down. Click on create a new policy if you don't have one. Or select an existing policy you want to configure. When creating a new policy, give it a clear name. Set the policy type to business for deductible expenses. Define the currency of the policy. Scroll down to the reimbursement settings section. Choose the reimbursement method that suits your needs. To enable tax options, look for the tax settings section. Select applicable tax settings based on your location. Next, locate the expense categories section. Add or modify categories for deductible business expenses. Common categories include travel, meals, and office supplies. Specify which categories should be marked as deductible. Ensure you enable receipt capture options for expenses. This will allow users to upload photos of their receipts. Now, head over to the Approval Workflow section. Determine who will approve expenses before reimbursement. You can set it to manager approval or self-approval. Next, configure the limits section for expense amounts. Set reasonable limits for each category you defined earlier. Ensure you apply any necessary per diem rates for travel. Save your changes to the policy. To link your bank account for better tracking, navigate to the Integration section. Follow the instructions to connect your bank account securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.